put that on my mama, on my hood. I look fly, I look good. You can't touch my back, but you.
Hey my lovelies, welcome back to my channel. I am Diva Messi, in case you don't already know, and in today's video we're going to be installing a 5x5 coily unit, and we're also going to be styling it in a half up half down style. I'm super excited about this video. If that sounds like your vibe, if that sounds like something you're interested in, then make sure to keep on watching. Love you. Mwah. My lovelies, this is the unit we're going to be styling today. I love her already, like just the whole vibe already, the whole fullness is so lush and it's so light on the head. I'm gonna head to wear it because I unboxed it on my Instagram. If you're not following me on Instagram, make sure to follow me. It's the Basil Messi everywhere. Okay,
I think I lie for you.
so this is the wig. I already planned the style to wear with this wig before I received it this morning. Okay, but like putting it on now, it's just doing me to just leave it like this. But we're going to be doing the half up, half down. Okay, so let's go ahead and get into it.
Yes. Okay. You like it.
So this is a 5x5 wig. So the first thing we're going to go ahead to do is cut off this excess lace here. Just be very careful. This is very long. I should use my shorter one. I think it will do. It just gives more control to what I'm cutting using the shorter one.
How you say you want it. Them girls, they just wanna take my money. They don't want me to give you nothing. They don't want you to have nothing. They don't wanna see me find you.
So that's the first thing we have to do. Take off that excess lace because you still want it to give like an illusion of a frontal wig. Okay, so we're gonna take that off like we've done. I'm supposed to brush this in, but we're gonna skip that. This is like a very quick, very fast lace install. Okay, so
Controller. But you can't just diss and come tell me.
we're going to use that alcohol I forgot to rub in and just clean off any excess that is like dripping down our face. Okay, so just go ahead and clean it up. Okay, and also if the glue is like way forward than where you are going to place that net, you want to go ahead and clean it up so that gives a more flawless install where the glue is behind the lace. Okay, so we're going to clean it up like I said. Now I'm just going to place the lace. We're just going to drag the lace to where we need it to be. So just right here. Just right here. I saw if you're a beginner, like 5x5 is like the wig to go for. Honestly, it will never just fail you. I'm running late, so I'm actually doing like 5 minutes of gluing this down. It's not dried, but we move. So I'm going to go in with my lace tints. Just have that lace more dark to my skin tone. So I don't know if you can see the difference with the lace tints. Then make sure to put at the sides also. The reason why I'm using a lace tint is because foundations just leave build-ups, and when it leaves that build-up, it doesn't let your wig actually sit properly. So I started using this lace tint, and I've actually seen like the difference between just using a regular foundation than using a lace tint. I'm going to go in with this. This is the melting spray. What you want to do is basically take that melting spray, spray it into like a cup. I'm going to take a brush, take that liquid, right? And then just dab it into the lace, okay, on top of the lace. Don't put it in front, just on top of the lace like this. So now I'm gonna go ahead and tie that down. Okay, so just tie on top of that lace. This is the part where you really have to like tie it down, because you want to give it that chance to kind of like, not kind of, you want to give it that chance to melt very well into your skin. Lovelies, Now we're done with that. So now I'm going to go ahead and wet the wig just to kind of bring some curls into it. I don't mind it really like fluffy like this, but just to kind of revive the curls a little bit. I'm not going to brush it out. I'm just going to use the finger to detangle, and I know that's going to be fine. So in the spray bottle, I just have water and conditioner.
That much?
No, not that much. Like just two. Then pack to the back. Then the rest will be at the back. No one will be here. Do you see the vision?
I do.
Or I should pack everything.
Take everything back, sorry, let me see.
Like everything back will be like this.
No, I think you should add.
I think I should add, right? So first things first, I'm gonna go ahead and melt this to my head shape. Okay, so you know it's been melted to the mannequin. So now I'm gonna go ahead and melt it to my own head. Bring this out, okay, then I'm gonna go ahead and bring this out. Okay, so then we're gonna pack everything to the back. You guys, we're doing this together.
Big back?
Yeah, I'll still wet it.
Yes, so that's fine. Take the rest back and see.
Like this much. You're just going to take your hot comb and then glide. I'm not going to do it too much because I still want the curls. Let's see how we did. See? No problemo. Like just install like that, like no problem. Literally just your spray, your mousse, and then your melting spray, and you're good to go. Need just like a rubber band, or I don't like using rubber band because it tangle wig. So you're going to need like a scrunchie, and then you just flatten it as much as you can. Went ahead to tie that at the back. It just gives a more like, it covers your lace, basically covers your wig cap. Okay, because you know this is a 5x5 wig, so it just goes in and do all the covering up at the side. Then you're going to take as much as you would normally take to, you know, have your half up down like this. Then I'm going to take my claw clip and just, I can't really see it. Okay, you can feel it. I'm thinking I should, you know, move this a bit or make it fuller so it comes like this. So like it's showing. Yeah, it needs to be higher, right? So it shows that it's actually like a, come on, help me pin it higher because my hand is hurting from the gym. Okay, so you want to, you know, smooth that down with your spray just to give like a cleaner finish. No, you have to take this way just to give that cleaner finish. Okay, I've discovered that don't put too much product, okay, because the wig sometimes too much product is too much, but like just to give a clean finish, you want to go in with products that would help the wig look better. Hello. So just higher. Oh, you don't think we should add?
No, I think it's fine.
Okay. My hand. Okay. So make sure you press it inside very well.
Oh, that was it.
Where?
Oh, a bit higher. There.
Yeah. Okay.
No, it's not holding the hair. You want it to.
Oh, yeah, do it.
Okay.
I don't like this clip. Okay, yes, it's holding it very well. Okay, yeah, that's very okay. I think that's much better. But is it not too high now?
Let me see.
It's giving too high. It's giving unbalanced. It's giving. That's so much better. I think so. Okay, guys, this is what we're having. So this is the half up, half down style. Very clean, very cutesy. It's like it's giving like sundresses kind of style, you know, just that very chic, very girly look. Okay, so this is it. This is it. I think it's so cute. I think it's so cute. So I'm gonna go ahead, do my makeup off camera and then come back. So my lovelies, this is the final look. It's actually really cute, really chic. I love it. It came out really beautiful. This is what it's given. This is what it's looking like. Let me know what you think in the comment section. Okay, it's so beautiful, guys. Like, what? It's so beautiful. And because of the dress I'm wearing a summer dress, a very flowery dress. So it just kind of goes with like the cute vibe. I'm gonna put the top here. So yeah, it kind of gives like this very cute vibe, this very like, what's the word? There's a genre for this kind of look. I just can't figure it out right now. But yeah, this is it. Let me know what you think in the comment section. And that's it really for this video. Thank you so much for watching to the end of this video. And watching the end of this video, you already know you're the what? You already know you're the real MVP. Thank you so much, and I'll see you in my next video. Love you. Bye, guys.